In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers on your Scion XB. This is going to be located on your windshield. Let's get started. Remove the plastic sheath. Put this wiper right in front of the one you're going to change. We're going to pop that plastic piece up. We're going to lift the wiper into the air. When you do this, do not let go of this arm. It will want to snap back at your windshield. Always keep a hand on it. Twist the windshield wiper all the way out, and on the back side right here, you're going to have a tab. We're going to push on that tab while simultaneously pulling down, pulling the wiper away. Here's that little tab on the bottom that we're pushing on, and then pulling down. Grab your new wiper, push it right up into place. Feel it click into place, pull it back, make sure it doesn't want to just fall off. I'm going to wipe my windshield of all the old junk, and then gently put my windshield wiper back down. Repeat the same process on the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.